Creating a stylized 3D scene is not easy. And that's exactly why I've got something special for you. A huge tutorial is coming very soon, almost 3 hours of content, completely free, right here on YouTube. But wait, there is more. Not only is the entire tutorial free to watch, but every single asset we are going to use is completely free as well. Trees, bushes, water, the windmill, everything. All available with a simple download, so you can follow along and build the entire scene with me. And I've got another little gift waiting for you, but you'll have to stick around until the end of the video to find out what it is. And while you are here, consider subscribing to the channel to get updates about upcoming courses and tutorials all about stylized graphics. But now the real question is why? Why create such a massive tutorial completely for free? Well, because I think we really need complete guides like this, where we actually build an entire environment from A to Z, from a simple plane to a white tube to this. This kind of complete step-by-step content isn't something you see very often here on YouTube, and I want to show you that creating stylized graphics in a real engine is not only possible, it's something you can do. You just need patience, practice, and a guide that can take you by hand, step by step, until you are able to create the environments you've always imagined. And now, with AI becoming more and more present in the world of 3D graphics, I want to make the magic of creating something with your own hands accessible to as many people as possible. Something that is truly yours. We'll create everything together. Everything. In one single tutorial. You'll also be able to download the entire finished scene. Yes, the whole thing. All of it will be available for you very soon. See you there.